This is Chrome 5311. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. Good luck, all. Just a 2-box random team break. Just a little one through together. 1. Down. 3. Best friends. And 5. Pirates on top. Arr. Astros on the bottom. On the booty. 5 times. Is the poop deck what I think it is? I like the cut of your jib. Wow. Wow. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Oh, I think I have a fresh box to open up for you as well, Aaron. Very excited. Here we go. Yeah, who are the 5 Color Blast in Prism Racing? Obviously HD. Haven't heard about her in a while. What's she up to? Who is Natalie Decker? I don't know who that is. Really? Oh, she's just...
She's the new rookie.
She's just the... Is she Australian? No. She's just on an Australian motorsport. That's just an Australian website. Down. 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 Here we go. Richard Petty, Dale Earnhardt, Deegan, Decker, Gordon. Here we go. Future stars Sean Murphy and Dane Dunning. No, I went through my last couple of packs earlier today. Refractor of Fernando Tatis and Trophy of Kyle Lewis. Jeez, she suffers from rheumatoid arthritis. Yep, Jay Cronenworth, Faro, Prismic Power, Eloy Jimenez, and Desby Swanson. Everything I'm not makes me everything I am. I wonder how many times she's pooped herself in the car. Sherman Apostle. Refractor of Kettle Marte and Raf Devers. Oh, she has a puppy. I wonder if her puppy would like to meet my puppy. No one wants to meet Bentley Tabby. Xander Bogaerts. That is numbered to just 109. Nice card there for Boston. Red Sox, Xander Bogaerts and Brendan Woodruff.
You know what's so weird?
What?
On Trello, I am Dylan Tab 2.
Oh.
Who the hell is Dylan Tab 1?
Andres Gimenez. You are also him. Edison Tejeda. You're about to go back in time and kill yourself.
Oh, no. Right.
Does Tony Breedinger have any cards? Nick Solak, Future Stars, and Nolan Arenado. Tony Breedinger. B-R-E-I-D-I-N-G-E-R. Pardon? Suarez, Mookie Betts, Future Stars, Trent Grisham, and Brent Crawford.
Nice. Check out the website for NASCAR singles.
NASCAR singles, including, have we got singles in Natalie Decker?
Yeah.
And Haley Deegan?
Yeah.
And Tony Breedinger, Corey Seager, and Chris Bryant. Come and look.
Look at all the bins in the way.
Oh, yeah, for once.
Oh, binges.
Well, we didn't shit in our bin. Grundle and Dean Kramer.
What's the name?
Tony Breedinger. Wow. Hyper of Tim Anderson and Tanaka.
Third leg stuck.
Oh. We have no Decker autos for sale. I just checked. Oh. Divi Garcia.
We have a Haley Deegan,
Have a Haley Deegan one, though. Venezuela's Gleyber Torres. Shogo Akiyama. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I hope that's muted. Yasmani Grundle and David Peterson. I mean, listen, I understand that I am a fan of attractive people, Luan Diaz. Leody Tavares Refractor and Tyler Stevenson. But one of the comments on her post, where she's just working out, is Perfect Goddess Girl. That's quite sweet, I guess. Probably wouldn't say it because that's quite weird. But someone just says, "You must sleep with me." That's all the comment says. Wow. Yep. Refractor of Jackie Bradley Jr., Victor Robles. I mean, Brave. Do people think that that's going to work? Shohei Ohtani. Yeah. And Chris Davis. Like, if you have ever left a comment like that on a famous person's Instagram, let me know. Yeah, please let me know. Brian Hayes. Auto of Brandon Bielak for the Houston Astros. Garrett Cole. Just let me know how that went. Did they reply? A pink AJ Puck, numbered 235 of 399. I kid you not, Magda sent me an identical message about someone. What? Sixer Sanchez and Luis Castillo. I'm going to take this over to Cherry Footy, Bailey, about Maggie. TJ Antone for the Cincinnati Reds. Aaron Judge. I could see Maggie leaving comments like that. All right, Bailey, you need to tell me who it was. Spencer Howard, Refractor Gio Urshela, and a rookie of Alex Kirilloff. Bailey, tell me who it was. This is a circle of trust. By that, I mean I'm immediately going to confront Maggie about it. Manny Machado, Tony Gonsolin. Is the bin full? Almost. Ah. So my last bin and then pretty much full. Joey Turner, Tim Anderson Refractor, and Evan White. Adonis Medina. Hyper of Kyle Schwarber and Giancarlo Stanton. Oh, thank you, Crazy Balls, for the follow. Bryce Harper, William Contreras, and the subscribe with tier 3. Thank you, Luke Voigt. Sean Murphy, that'll buy Grace a couple of days of Grayson's coffee. Manny Machado, Sam Huffy, Refractor of Conforto, and Corey Seager. Who is it? Bailey, where'd you go? That's a big boy sub, Chris Burbage. Thank you, Alec Boehm. And Ronald Kuna Jr. I appreciate that. Again, I have no idea how Twitch works, but I really, really appreciate you doing that for us. Casey Mize. Future stars Nico Horner and Andrew Benintendi. Will Smith. Oh, it was about Megan Fox. Joe Adele, rookie refractor. Nice. And Austin Riley. Surely they're ridiculously expensive. What would she even have autos in? Is there a Transformer set? Maybe I should be like, Maggie, I got you a Fox auto and give him a De'Aaron one. Andres Jimenez. Oriano. Hyper Nate Pearson. And Jose Altuve. Nick Madrigal. A baseball of Yon Moncada and Strasburg. Leaf, and they aren't that much. Oh yeah, you can get a one-on-one printing plate one for $600. Refractor of Josh Hader and Shane Bieber. Oh, you can literally pick one up right now for $150. Dalton Varsho. And a gold, Spencer Howard to just 50. 27 of 50 for the Philadelphia Phillies. Christian Yelich and Jake Cronenworth. Leody Taveras for the Texas Rangers. And Nelson Cruz. Sheridan Apostle. Refractor of Adonis Medina. Isaac Paredes. Hyper of Max Muncy. Scherzer. Do you like Nicole Scherzinger, Tabby? Pussycat Dolls. Brian Hayes. Future stars Mike Brosseau and Ryan Mountcastle. Spencer Howard. Refractor of Mike Moustakas. Last couple of packs before we get into some personals. We've only got 2 so far. Ryan Withers. Jacob deGrom. And Tristan McKenzie. Oh, Jesus. I'd love to see just a super refractor. Ian Anderson. Future stars Luzardo. Seager. Message retracted. Shane McClanahan. Refractor of Luis Campusano. Keibert Ruiz. Toby, when are they going to grade my buddy? Hyper Hater. Yastrzemski. Oh, thank you. What did you PM me on? Baseball, David Ortiz. Ringer has requested a color blast or a refund. Fair enough. Shohei Ohtani. Refractor of Ronald Acuna Jr. Adonis Medina. Joey Bart. Mike Trout. What did you message me on? Divi Garcia. Oh, nice. Rookie autograph orange parallel of Kelenic from the Mariners. That is nice. Jared Kelenic for the Mariners. What? Lewin Diaz. Refractor Lewin Diaz. Tanner Hook. Nice redemption. The orange is pretty short print as well, which is handy. Oh, Bailey, that's amazing. Hyper Joe Adele. Chris Paddock. Bobby Dalbeck. That's a $1,000+ card. Hyper. Wilson Ramos and Jeff McNeil. That is Chrome 5311. Congratulations to the Mariners, who are with. Did you see your big card yesterday, Mr. Dimo? I was on it, then I refreshed. The Mariners, the big boy, spot 28, Ruben Wilson. Congratulations, Ruben. Big boy. Public news.